Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Idea Tab Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Settings. Now let's tap on the backup, and we will be immediately transferred to this Google account section. So let's tap on Next. If you've got your Google account, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it. So let's tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here you can decide who's going to use this device, so just mark the option. Here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on I agree. Of course, you can read them, you can just tap on them and read more. Here we've got the backup section, so you can decide what kind of data you want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data. Just mark the option. Of course, you can choose both and tap on Confirm. Then let's tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. Right here, we can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup now, and your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.